Hey, what's up, guys? I just thought I'd make a quick video on how to paint like a terrain a different color. As you can see, well, this is meant to represent a snooker table. I don't know if that was obvious already, but yeah. I was basically trying to like paint black circles to represent the holes, and so basically what you want to do is you want to create a new terrain layer, and call it whatever you want to call it. I guess I'll just call it terrain layer. Um, and then if you go to the diffuse, you click select to choose a new texture. And this is where I kind of struggled a bit because I'm not really sure how to create like a new texture to select. But um, yeah, I just chose one of these that was closest to black, like this one for example. And then once we've got your terrain layer, if you go and select the terrain, click edit terrain layers, and if you click add layer, you can choose the one they created, which is in this case I called terrain layer, which is basically the same as the one I created earlier, which was black. But and then you select it, uh, and you should be able to paint it with left click, like so. And obviously this isn't the ideal color, but yeah, still figuring out how to create a texture for the terrain layer. So let me know in the comments if you found a way to do that. And yeah, hope you found this helpful.